When you are getting "this document could not be printed" error while trying to print PDF files, simply perform the solutions shown here. Adobe may be unable to print the document because it cannot process the images in it. In this case, you can use the Print as Image option, which makes Adobe print the PDF as a rasterized image. Open the problematic PDF file in the Adobe Reader. Press the Ctrl+P keys to open the Print dialog. Click on the Advanced option to open the Advanced Print Setup dialog. Check the Print as Image box and click on OK to save the changes. Finally, click on Print to start printing the PDF. Method 2. In Adobe Reader, the document could not be printed error can be due to a full print queue. Try clearing the print queue and see if the PDF prints or not. Type printer and scanners in the search bar and select the top result. In the printers and scanners section, you will find the printer name listed. Click on the printer that you are using for printing the PDF. Select the Open Queue option. Click on the Printer tab and select the Cancel All Documents option. This will clear the print queue of the selected printer. Finally, restart the computer and try printing the PDF again. Method 3. If you are using an older version of Adobe Reader, try updating to the latest version and check if it fixes this issue. Open Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on the Help option. Select for Check for Updates option. Adobe will now check for updates and install them automatically. Method 4. The PDF/A view mode prohibits features that are unsuitable for long-term archiving. It is designed to give a minimal feature set to enable long-term storage. When you are viewing PDF in PDF/A mode in Adobe, the document could not be printed error can get triggered. Open the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on the Edit tab and select the Preferences option. In the Categories section on the left side, select the Documents option. Click on the PDF/A view mode drop-down menu and select Never. Select OK to save the changes. Restart Adobe Reader and open the problematic PDF again to check if it prints or not. Method 5. Outdated printer drivers can also be the cause behind this error. If your printer drivers are outdated, update them to the latest version. Press the Windows+R keys to open the Run utility. Type devmgnt.msc in the search box and press Enter to open the Device Manager. Expand the Print Queues option and right-click on the Microsoft Print to PDF printer driver. Select the Update Driver option. Now click on the Search Automatically for Driver option. Follow as shown to complete the process. Method 6. If none of the earlier solutions work, try reinstalling Adobe Reader. Open the Run utility again. Type appwiz.cpl and press Enter to open the Programs and Features panel. Locate the Adobe Reader among the listed apps and click on it. Select the Uninstall option. After you have uninstalled the Adobe Acrobat Reader, visit their official website to download the latest version. When the download is complete, run the installer and complete the installation. Method 7. If reinstalling Adobe Reader also failed to fix this error, you should try using a different PDF reader and see if you can print the PDF from there. You can also use Google Chrome to open the PDF and print it. Method 8. When everything fails, you can use this workaround. The unable to print error in Adobe generally occurs when you try to print a PDF. So converting the PDF to docs and then printing it should work. Visit pdf2docs.com using any internet browser. Upload the PDF file that you want to convert by dragging and dropping. Wait for the file to finish converting to docs. After the conversion is complete, click on the download option to download the converted docs document. So that's it.